Yo, what's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go with the name Go with Masare. It's another wonderful day God just granted us, and finally we are back. We have some couple of days without uploading any video, but yeah, I'm back, guys. Let's get everything done as usual. Yeah, to the new subscribers, to the new viewers, to the returning viewers, returning subscribers, welcome back again to this amazing channel. I appreciate having you on my channel, and wow, everything's great. So today, actually, I'm at my brother's construction here for the last TV site. Today we will be seeing what has been going on through the week or in those couple of days that I haven't been uploading. But hopefully, you saw the Fadelas on every update on Fadelas TV or on Fadelas channel, because this is Fadelas TV. You can go and check him out, support, subscribe to his channel. Like, yeah, your support is highly appreciated. So guys, let's go in so that we can have 1 2 3 for the day. And yeah, I'm yours, Go with Masare. Actually, in those couple of days I've been sick, malaria that is being caused by mosquitoes, but I'm recovering. You know, today I woke up defeated, but I'm doing great. Yeah, I'm from washing my clothes, because the couple of days I wasn't washing my clothes because I was actually sick. Even I was afraid of water, but I've recovered somehow. Yeah, I'm feeling better. So let's go in and we see. So this is Fadela's place, Fadela's building. Yeah. Oh, here I am. So let's start from the back, please, so that we can see. Or we can start from here, if possible. Yeah. I think we're gonna have to start from the back there, so we can see. Oh, did talk of this place. So let's go back. We start from the other side or the other end. So we are going to start from this another side of this place. Yeah. So we are going to start from the back place here. Yeah, and a lot have been going on. So we are going to start from the fascia board over this place, all of here, over from here. We are going to start from it. Yeah. So in those couple of days, you saw I was here when this thing was being built. I updated you on. Yeah. So you can see the back porch, how it's looking. It's looking very, very, very demure and cute and beautiful, actually. And this was built the other day. Yeah, this is where the pipes are running. Things are not. This is the place that connects them. This is what connects them over this place, on that place, on that one too. I think that's the place that connects these things, all the pipes inside here. Yeah, it's actually running up to this place, because this is where the master bedroom toilets are. So they're running up this side. Over that side, that's where it all runs. Yeah. So yesterday or the other day, they installed the fascia board. Actually, they're looking super amazing. Actually, they have been painted, and they're looking actually great. So the fascia board runs from that end, from that part. It comes up to this It runs. Actually, it runs around the whole building. Yeah, but so they installed the fascia board. It's actually painted up to this side. The other one is being up this side. Yeah. Here still it is here. Going all around. Fascia board is looking actually great. So it was being painted because you can see some moments ago it was being painted up there. Yeah. Very clean. So this is the fence. That's how the fence looks like. An electricity fence. So here's the painting inside. And I saw the mason was here. So let's go inside. You see, the place is looking super amazing. Yeah, so let's see what is going on inside here, because they've been doing some yeke manuva nilikwambia ni wewe manuva. So inside here.
How are you?
I'm good.
You doing good?
Yeah.
Everything is okay?
Everything is okay.
Like you?
Yeah.
Okay. You're looking like yum boy.
Huh?
Yum.
Yum.
You know yum. You're a yum boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As you can see, they're installing the tiles. Hello, kipindi ni hapa ndani.
Kipindi ni hapa.
Hapa. Yeah.
Yes. So we are struggling here to do a good job.
Yeah. That's great.
Hiyo bado nitakupa. Wewe unahitaji Pepsi? Hiyo ni chaje Pepsi? Pepsi. Usai masia. Pepsi. Ndio sasa sweet. Dogo ni kadogo. Na kake. Oh, Ibra. Yes. I'm here. Eto dongo. How you see the work, Masad?
The work is going on very well. I can see the master bedroom toilet is taking shape.
Yes,
on the tiles.
Good shape.
Yeah.
Very soon.
Yeah.
It will be the good bathroom.
Yeah, for sure.
The bathroom that is having only one tile is for this village. No one but this one.
The full tiles.
Yes, the best one tile is.
Yeah.
So guys, whenever you are, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on time. Welcome to Go with Masani to thank him to go 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
Please, guys, take Masani 1,000.
Yeah.
Can make everything good.
Akatafuta hizo akatafuta akaanza kimbia.
Leta udongo.
Yangu paka potezea.
So guys, I'm continuing here.
Yes.
Together with my
milioni moja.
help me to doing the good job.
Yeah, I can see the job is very good. Yeah.
What do we have picture? pale akamwambia wewe umeenda kuzika au umeenda kukagua makaburi? Walikuwa wamezikwa juu juu. Sasa wasi ni wale wanauao huko wanaenda.
Sinda unaweza kutoa shamba hizo.
Sio za kota. Tayari.
Pesa haya hao watu.
Kama mtu julikani uko wapi? Kama mtu julikani uko wapi ndugu zako wajue uko wapi?
Mom. Isa isha na washamtulia tu.
Hata utaenda kuuliza nani? Serikali ya nani ndio kuuliza? Hauna mtu mbele.
Na magari kwa kwamba hapo kuna kuona magari hayo.
Hata kama ukiwa na mtu mbele, mbona pole pole alikuwa na bura zake hivi.
Si ndio yeye problem ni kama serikali lakini kwa serikali. Sema sasa ndio kama mdomo.
Soka mdomo alikuwa anatetea haki.
So guys, everything is very fantastic.
Ndio anaenda mahakamani anasema eti ananja.
Actually. Yeah. So let's give it time. Yeah, everything will be okay. You know. Yeah, so let's give it time. It will take shape fully and very, very well, as you all know. So let's check on the other guy who is putting the fascia board, or he is painting the fascia board. We see his work. How is it going? Yeah, hopefully it's going very well. Yeah, so guys, here we are. Let's see how the place is being painted. Yeah. So that's it. Kwa makini hizi waya.
Hiyo mali ni noma. Jana ni ngori.
Sasa
imenigusa bana yani.
Kuna fundi mwingine tulikuwa tunabishana na yeye. Anasema hizi waya hazina moto.
Hizi pizza.
Hizi hazina.
Hizi hapa. Jana mimi imenigusa.
Hizo ndo tulikosa tunaongelelea sasa.
Wewe jana imenigusa hiyo mali. Mimi huko.
Hizi za nje tu ni fence.
Hizo zenyewe ni fence. Ila sasa hiyo security fence. Hiyo mali inafanya kazi.
Hiyo moto iko.
Moto huko. Kijaemo hapo. Kijaemo? Unaisoma namba kwa Kirumi.
Sasa umeona hizo zikishikwa sasa? Kuna saa inafika sasa zinaanza yani kuna venye ina sense. Hapo ndani panaanza kupiga kelele.
Alarm. Ikiguswa sana. Ni kingola sijui kwa au itakuwa ni go tu.
Na si ujaribu shika tena.
Wewe. Yaani nilishika by mistake. Nikasikia kama moyo umepiga boom.
Maleli katoka kidogo.
Yaani kwanza nigeuka hata kutetemeka. Nikaanza kuhisi njeve hapo. Hapana, sisi rudia tena.
Tukaanza kuhisi njeve. Niambia hapo kija vibaya.
Hapo umedanja. Hapo wala hivi umedanja.
So we are talking about this electricity fence. This is the one that has electricity, but this one here is just a fence. But for me, I can't touch it. Even if it is just a fence, I can't touch it. Yeah, so the fascia board that are being painted. You can see it's painting all of it. Yeah. And this is the generator that always, bring back the electricity to this set, because this thing needs to be on 24/7 to produce network. Yeah.
Quello figlio non dice mai.
Yeah, so this place is done, just finished being painted on, and let's go up here so we can see. Over this place too, it has been painted. Yeah. So that's how the place looks like right now. Yeah, super amazing. And we are back. We are back in here. Yeah.
Hello guys.
Yeah. Naona kazi inaendelea fiti sana.
Ndio kuna magumu. Tokea hapo kuna magumu. How you see the work?
Yeah, the work is going very well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice if the work is going very well.
Yes.
And tiles is looking fantastic.
Yeah.
Like juice. I'm
sure the time you will be finishing this room, this room will be very okay.
Wow.
Yes.
For me, I'm happy.
Yeah.
When you say the word oh, it means we gotta do it the good job.
Yes.
That people need.
Yeah.
From water.
Yeah. So he's ready to tell. Sasa mbona mnaziweka kwa maji?
Tunaweka maji because the waterproof is many. Inakuwa na waterproof mingi.
Oh, hii?
Kwa hiyo inabidi tuanze kwanza maji.
Yes.
Ndio iende kuwekwa kwenye wao.
Okay.
Kwenye wao. Wao.
Yeah.
They put that in the wall. PhD hamna. Sasa PhD si shule serikali.
Yeah, I'm back, and as I told you, today we will be only taking our video inside Vadela's TV place. And right now, I'm going in, and let's see what has been going on. So let me grab my camera. Yeah, let's see, and yeah, and over here I am, and yeah. Back inside here. More Ibra. You see the works going on. They're actually up. They're actually done. Yes, you can see you're almost done. Yeah.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Yeah.
Everything is okay.
Everything is okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to continue or you are running something?
No. I'm still running something.
Oh.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yes.
If you're running,
Yeah.
it will be better.
For sure.
Can make you to be the phone.
So I wanted to ask something. Why do you always put the tiles inside water before you start using them?
Before to start?
Using them. I saw you.
Why I'm soaking this tile?
Yes, in the water.
This tile is a dry.
It's dry. That's why you always put it in water.
Yes, if tile is dry.
Yes.
If you want to be adhesive, very good for the wall.
Yes.
You need to soak it inside of the water.
Okay.
Yeah, it will be better.
Yes.
When you are applying the mortar for these tiles over here.
Yes.
And to make mortar and the tiles together with the wall.
Yes.
To catch it very soon.
Okay.
Yes. So that is the reason.
Okay.
You see, I'm soaking tiles inside of the wood. Yeah, to make the good work.
Yes.
It's not for all tiles.
Yes.
No, is it for wall tiles?
Oh, only wall tiles.
Yes.
Okay.
For wall tiles.
Yes.
And for some tiles that is needed for soaking.
Okay.
Because there are some tiles.
Yes.
Is the same. Is have the same material like the tiles of wood.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the walls of the tiles of the wall, you can't put them down
Without
on the floor.
Yes, without it. What you say?
I'm asking. You can't take these tiles and put them on the floor.
No, this one is for
Only wall.
Yes, because you see the straight tiles more than floor. This one is the straight. This separation you see here.
Yes.
Is needed to the wall.
Okay.
Not needed for floor.
Okay.
Because you never take the material for wall.
Yes.
Put it for the floor. It will be easy
to break.
Yes, to break. Even for this color that you see, it will be simple to lost it.
Okay.
Yes, for time. We still on the good progress here.
Yeah.
This one, the model is small. I need to add mortar.
Mortar.
Yes.
Yeah, and over here I am, and yeah. Back inside here. More Ibra. You see the works going on. They're actually up. They're actually done. Yes, you can see you're almost done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Yeah.
Everything is okay.
Everything is okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to continue or you are running something?
No. I'm still running something.
Oh.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yes.
If you're running,
Yeah.
it will be better.
For sure.
Can make you to be the phone.
So I wanted to ask something. Why do you always put the tiles inside water before you start using them?
Before to start?
Using them. I saw you.
Why I'm soaking this tile?
Yes, in the water.
This tile is a dry.
It's dry. That's why you always put it in water.
Yes. If tile is dry.
Yes.
If you want to be adhesive, very good for the wall.
Yes.
You need to soak it inside of the water.
Okay.
Yeah, it will be better.
Yes.
When you applying the mortar for these tiles over here.
Yes.
And to make mortar and the tile together with the wall.
Yes.
To catch it very soon.
Okay.
Yes. So that is the reason.
Okay.
You see, soaking tiles inside of the wood. Yeah, to make the good work.
Yes.
It's not for all tiles.
Yes.
No, is it for wall tiles?
Oh, only wall tiles.
Yes.
Okay.
For wall tiles.
Yes.
And for some tiles that is needed for soaking.
Okay.
Because there are some tiles.
Yes.
Is the same. Is have the same material like the tiles of wood.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the walls of the tiles of the wall, you can't put them down.
Without
on the floor.
Yes, without it. What you say?
I'm asking. You can't take these tiles and put them on the floor.
No, this one is for
only wall.
Yes, because you see the straight tiles more than floor. This one is the straight. Okay. This decoration you see here,
yes,
is needed to the wall.
Okay.
Not needed for floor.
Okay.
Because you never take the material for wall.
Yes.
Put it for the floor. It will be easy
to break.
Yes, to break. Even for this color that you see, it will be simple to lost it.
Okay.
Yes, for time. We still on the good progress here.
Yeah.
This one, the mortar is small. I need to add mortar.
Mortar.
Yes.
Here is Ibra.
Yes.
Ushamaliza kazi.
No. I'm waiting. Let me see the muscle is working.
But why are you standing?
I'm standing here because
Yes.
it's remaining small place.
Small place.
Let's work together with two masons for one place.
Oh, one place. Oh, this is the only place.
Complete.
So that's the place that you're only completing. Then you
work.
close the job.
Yes.
Okay.
Because now it's the evening.
Yes. It's
Like
evening.
17:48. Let's see. It's the evening.
Yes.
So you need to close
Yeah.
and to make everything to be good.
Okay.
Yes, guys. Guys, I'm here.
Yeah.
To make everything to be complete.
Yes.
For new look, what you see for the toilet,
Yeah.
the bathroom,
Yeah.
it will be best one for this house. It will be good. Even for me,
Yes.
I'm so happy to do this.
Yeah.
Because my brother is telling me, I appreciate your work.
Yeah. Your work is always good. You can see when the room from here, it only need the lights.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Okay.
So for me,
Yeah.
I appreciate it if my work is very good.
Okay.
Also, the work is best.
Yes.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
And I like it.
For
Even
sure.
for the mason.
Yeah.
If you tell him if the work is best,
Yes.
you feel good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's Mo Ibra.
Go
Check him out. Yeah.
More even. Take me to go on the good success.
Road to 5,000
It
subscribers.
will be best one.
Yeah.
The day that we are doing for
5,000.
5,000.
Yes.
I will celebrate it, bro. I promise
You
you.
will make a party
Yes, we'll make
to celebrate 5,000 subscribers.
sure because
Okay.
I'm struggling for a lot of years.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, for power of God,
Yes.
one day.
Okay.
But I never know, maybe tomorrow or
Yeah.
next day.
Next month or yeah.
I will.
Okay. So this is Mo Ibra.
Uh-huh.
Check him out. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yeah. Road to success.
Yeah. I hope you are enjoying the work.
Yeah. I'm enjoying the work.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. The work is going very, very well.
Okay. You feel like one day to be the master?
The mason
Yeah.
of tiles?
Yeah.
No.
No, why?
I want to be the boss.
You want to be the boss?
Yeah. One day.
Really for me, I'm the boss for you. I'm the boss for you because
Yes.
because when the client give me the work,
Yes.
it's not talk with you.
Okay.
Yeah, you can talk with me
Yes.
because for me I take money
Yeah.
from the boss,
Yeah,
from
you-
the client,
Yes.
and then me I giving you.
Yeah.
So I'm the boss. Manu.
Yes. You are the boss right now.
Yes, I'm the boss. But the boss who are working for Mujengo.
Yeah. You are the boss for the site.
But
Yes.
I know one day
Yes.
I will be the boss.
Yeah. You will be the boss. Yeah.
Yeah.
Slowly.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, the work is going on very well, as you can see. Everything is manganyu. Everything is okay. Only that small space that you can see from this side, that is the only place that is remaining so that the work can be completed for this day. Yeah. Yes guys, I think today's video will actually end over this side. Yes. Yeah, so actually here the work has gone well, as you can see. Moibra is here. Moibra.
Yes.
Yes, how is the work?
The work is good.
Yes.
The work is looking fantastic.
Yeah.
And I say fantastic because I'm working for me,
Yes.
myself,
Yes.
together with the mason.
Yeah.
And I'm doing the good
Yeah.
that everyone is enjoying.
Yes.
Even who are watching this video is
Yeah.
enjoying about this work that
Yes.
I'm doing here.
Yeah.
You know, to believe as the mason from the village,
Yes.
it will be the international for
Yeah.
doing the good job like this one.
Yes.
So for me, I appreciate it and to say thanks for everyone who are watching this video and who are enjoying about the work of Mo Ibra about tiles.
Yeah.
So I'm so excited from the heart
Yes.
because you make me to be happy.
For sure.
Yeah. So guys, go go support my brother, go with Masare
Yeah.
to go on the good success. Yes, because it's make the good content. Support him, please, guys.
Yeah.
Go on the good success.
Yes.
Even for me, go say out more Ibra, take me to go on the good success again. Okay.
Yeah.
For good love, for good love that you show me, it means to be better for everyone.
Okay.
Yes. So, guys, I'm be here tomorrow. Is a day of completing everything. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Be happy. Okay.
Yo, guys, I think our video will end on this side. Thank you for always watching Go with Masare's channel. I really appreciate for your support that you always show to us, and we are very happy. Yeah. Actually, I'm closing the site. You see, the whole place is being closed, like the gate going to the Odela side and the both two store gate, all kitchen coop. They have been locked, so I want to lock the gate. See you soon, guys. My name is Go with Masare. Yeah. Thank you for watching the video to the end. I really appreciate.